Well, hello. I hope for the ones that can understand that I'm not too sloppy here. Let's see. So we got 14 yards. Want to get a nice little rollout out of it. It's not going to stop quickly on you when you do punch. Okay. But I like it. Got it off a D-Mag that one time. So we'll go about 10 yards here. Okay. Now there are four those type of shots. If you got something that's too tall, obviously you got to flop it. But let's just see the comparison here of a flop versus that punch. Similar shots, okay? But, oh, I didn't mean to do that. I see more consistency out of doing punch. All right, so now here's one of those holes that I really wanted to get to for you guys. Big drop in elevation, par 3. I am going to do a punch shot. The way I do it is take that elevation, 64, divide by 3, 21. I'm going to round down, keep it 21. So 178 minus 21, 1 is 177, 157. Okay, so punch 157. There's no 157, so 162 it is. We got some wind at 11:13. Right about there. All right, so wind, that's going to be 5 yards to the left. That's 10. And since we're at an angle behind us, I could probably go right about here. Okay, so you don't have to go backspin here. It's going to stop quick enough, but I'll go ahead and do it. So what was that number, 157 we got to go for? With a little bit of help from behind us. Let's try this. It's not really being affected by the wind too much. Ooh,
That's
line was good.
Spot.
Let's try that again. So I'm going to go 162 full, no spin, right about there. And let's see what it does here. See how much over? So now, I bet if I go backspin this much with a full swing. See, even I still gotta learn every time. I don't know it perfectly. Easy tee front pin, 134 punch, 194 punch on the back tees. All right, so this tee is different. Got it. Let's do it again just for shits and giggles. Right? 6-iron punch. Backspin right about there. Right? something like that. Let's not go as much wind. Let's try right about there. Full. Boom, got the heartbeat again. Nice. So we could have still gotten a little bit more. Now for putting, I like to hold it, drag it back, see what's going on. Okay. If you hold it over the line from the flag, I'm pressing this blue square. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. So this thing's barely breaking. Probably like a 2. 5.6 minus 1, so I'll go 4.6. Take a little bit off. Boom. Okay. Obviously, a driver is a driver.
That's a huge drive.
Barely made it. All right, so 197 up 1 yard, so 198. With a little bit of hurting wind. That's more like in my face. I don't even think I got to move this. A little bit this way. Not much. I'm probably going to go 195 with a touch of topspin. Just a touch. Let's see what this does. I'm probably way off. Yep. Oh, here's that punch again. You're going to get a little bit more rollout from the rough. 17 plus 2, 19. Backspin. Right about there.
On the dance floor.
Yeah, that green was just sloping. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I got about 3 inches. So if you use this, use the flag, right? The square box is 4 inches away. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 inches out. What do I count from here? 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. So right about there. It's uphill, so it's not going to break as fast. If you want to give it a little bit more power, cut it to that. Let's see. 5.4 plus 4. Double it. Too hard. All right, well, obviously maybe you guys get a little bit more out of me when I actually play the game instead of trying to teach you guys things. Also, this is probably the first game this is probably the first time I've touched this thing in 24, 48 hours, so bear with me, I'm a little rusty. But it's all in fun. How did I get to... I don't know. I have no idea how I did that. I'm going to get really close on this one. Come on! Ugh. How sick would have been? Alright, let's see. Let's see if I could do the putting now. Oh, what's going on? All right. Mississippi 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4. All right, so like that's going really fast. So we got to aim. Mississippi 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi 6, 7, 8. All right, so I think I'm going to go right about here. I try and see how fast it's going and try and picture it. That's all I try and do with my putts. Ooh, close. That's a tricky one. Sure, I'll take it. All right, gang. I'll see you later. I'll be streaming tonight at some point. So, check you later.